Hi, this is gonna be the WOD for Invoice4. I've already created the file and copied it Invoice3 into it. So let's get started. I'm gonna be starting the timer now. Oh, there we go. And I'm gonna get the products array going. Smartphone products 3. And then right into there. Just getting the array set up right here. I believe. Oh, did I accidentally? Oh. Okay, and that's gonna be our array. It should show up here. Yep, there it is. And now we're gonna define an array called quantities. This is gonna hold all of our quantities for all of our values, and let's see, the index of product, object, and object. The product, object, and products should we use as the index and quantities for that product. Okay. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and get started on this function right here that we have to be making. Alright, so with that, let's see. The what is it? The parameter will be product quantities array, which I have right here. And get this function going. So it's going to print out row of product quantities. Okay. And let's see, what else do we need to do for this? And loop through products to document dot write. So I'm gonna just go ahead and grab that right here. What is this? Go ahead and get this for loop started. So this var equal to 0, and I is gonna be less than the length of product quantities array, and let's see, product, oops, lower than the length of it. So now we're gonna have this increment up as well, and let's see. And now we're gonna have an if statement inside. And this if statement will hold the array in place. And Actually, actually, yeah. I'll let equal up to 0. Have this continue as long as it does so. And let's see here. First function, second for loop. Yeah. Okay. No, one more. Yeah, one more. And then let's see. I want this to be able to go into here. So, oops. No, that's not it. Gonna go ahead and grab this and change this to what is it? Oh, yeah. Change this to value 0 as well as right here to have that print out. And actually, I'm gonna go ahead and bring this up as well. Okay, and let's see. Parameter. Each product is corresponding product quantity is in a table row. Okay. So continue. Okay. And then so now I'm gonna go ahead and add conditions to the generate rows function. Generate rows. I'm gonna actually just go in and start printing that down here. So I no longer need these. And this is going to print table rows. And now this one, I'm gonna go ahead and have this equal up to quantities. Quantities. Have that link up to that array. Now, let's see. Add a condition to the generate rows function to skip calculating extended prices and printing the table row if the quantity is 0. Okay. So now, I need to go ahead and suppose we can just do it like so. I already did that part, so we can move on if anything. Yeah, it should be fine. And then copy the non-negative from lab 11. So lab 11 right here. Copy that. Throw that right over here. Go. And with this, we're gonna have it attach back into this function. And doing so, we're gonna do that right over here. I'm gonna just call it errors because that's what it is. Let's see. Product quantities array. Oh, I actually totally forgot to check this out. Doing it so fast. Well, it's not printing out just yet. Should at least be. Oh, I forgot to change these variables actually. Product index. Oh, nope, nope, nope. There we go. Dot price. And this is actually gonna go right over here as well. And this one, we're gonna change this to brand for the item. Yeah, brand. Doesn't want to load. Let's see, am I missing something? Touch back to quantities. Be fine. Okay. It should print out, so I'm not sure. Let's see. Am I missing something here? New item rows, quantities. Oh, well, make sure this is all connected. Product I, brand, product quantities array. Oh, this. Product is not defined. 50. Huh. Why is it not defined? It is defined. Oh, products. Oops. Products. That's my bad. I'm gonna change that real fast. There we go. Perfect. So it's still printing out, and then it's not printing out the 0. That's what we wanted. And then what do we need to do again? We need to copy the function. It's non-negative. Use the generate item rows. Check the quantity is valid before writing the table row. Skip the calculation in the print table row. Test this function performs as expected by putting various quantities in quantities. Okay, so let's try it out. I think I had one going earlier, but I can just rewrite it. Logo errors equals is okay. Product quantities array. We can go with suppose we can go with I. Errors is non-negative integer string. Product quantities array. I I want to make sure it comes out. Where's the rule here? Oh yeah, it's Boolean base, that's right. So true. True is the answer. This to be true. Okay. This to continue, and I need to do if errors dot length goes out to 0. Okay, where am I? Probably here. If errors are length equals 0, or extended price, it's product price, product quantity, subtotal, extended price. Okay. Okay, that sounds good. Let's see. Uh, let's see. I'm gonna actually try this in different quantities as well. Negative, negative. Was it negative 34, 5, 351, sure. 351, try it out. Undefined price, quantity. Okay. Just about as kind of expected. Not sure why it's showing up specifically undefined, but I guess that's okay. Because I didn't want it to show up. If a value isn't valid, have it skip the calculation and printing the table row. It's still printing though. Hmm. Let's see. Hmm. Product quantities array. Hmm. I can do it's supposed to disappear, so not sure why. Okay, I guess it's gonna do -1. It's gonna show up as undefined. It doesn't calculate. Okay, that's fine. Doesn't calculate, so that works. And then let's see. Let's see the else statement. And then skipping printing item rows of bad quantity modify that is printed out to the specific errors in the quantity table cell correcting to the product. Okay. Let's see. Errors should use red text and all errors should be displayed. When there is an error, the extended price should be set to 0 to avoid following the subsequent invoice calculations. Alright. Can do. Let's fix these. Let's see. Mm, duh, duh, duh. I'm gonna have this print out the product quantities array and the index as well as the errors. No, the errors. Join. I'm gonna join it back together. So let's try that. That works. Let's try negative. -1 function join. It's not printing out correct. Showing the whole thing. That's weird. Oh, you know what this needs? Span tags. I want this to be red. What? It's not showing up. It just doesn't show up anymore. If it's like that, then. Hmm. Nope, still not working. Why is it not working? Hmm. Weird. Why is it not showing up red? No red words, huh? Oh, I forgot to stop the span tag. That's right. There we go. On negative value. There we go. Perfect. Okay. And then I'm just gonna switch this back real fast to the positive numbers. Make sure that's correct. Great. Yep. 5440. Okay. And then that should be it. Okay, that was the WAD for Invoice 4, and I finished that in 23 minutes. All right.